at the solar lights. This is 60 watt, but this is the smallest unit I buy, normally 200 or 300, so the 60s is for round the footpaths and round places where it's a bit dark, that people maybe go in the rooms at night. So these ones are 500 baht, which is good value. It includes the bracket and the remote control and all the, what's it, raw plugs, no raw plugs, what are these called? Raw bolts. I'll fit them today. And 20 to 60 degrees, heat the handle, 6 to 8 hours, 6,000 milliamp an hour. So we'll see how we get on with them. The ones I've got before are all fantastic. They're all lasted for 2 years, so hopefully these are as good. And the price now is a lot less than before, so they're excellent value. And they're easy to fit. Just join the two cables together here and put the solar panel in the sun, and automatically it'll start charging. Then tonight we'll get power. So I'll connect them, then after that I'll stick them in the sun, and we'll see how we got. The remote's quite good as well, just 3 hours, 5 hours and 8 hours, so you've got 3 settings, so quite good. I'll get them in the sun now, charging up, and I'll see how we get on. The remote controls comes with 2 batteries, 2 double A batteries, so or triple A batteries, easy to fit and ready to go. And the back plate, that's them ready on it. Let's get them. Now we'll put them in the sun and charge them up. The solar panels are 10 watt polysilicon panels, 6,000 lithium ion batteries. Full light, about 14 hours, 6 to 8 hours sunshine you need every day to charge them up. 80 square feet for the light to be good. Basically CE approved, so solar smart sensor. So when you walk past they automatically come on brighter. They'll be in a lower sort of brightness, and after you walk past the sensor they become fully bright. So let's get them on charge. That's the solar panel in the sun now, and the small red light indicates that the unit's charging, so everything's fine with this one. So I'll wire them up, and then tonight I'll fit them in the afternoon and get them ready to use, and tonight we can test to see how good they are.